Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use Palm to take a selfie in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, open camera. Now in camera, click on four dots, more option. Click on settings, scroll down, click on shooting methods, and here you will see voice commands, floating shutter button, show palm. And if you want to take picture by saying smile, capture or shoot or record video by saying record video, then turn on this button. And if you want to take picture with an extra shutter button, you can move anywhere on the screen, then turn on this button. And if you want to show your palm to the camera to take selfie or start recording selfie video, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, use palm to take selfie from your phone. This is how you can use palm to take a selfie in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.